What's up, Facebook? What's up, Facebook? What's up, everybody? Guys, I just wanted to come on here and just educate you guys on cryptocurrencies a little bit. I'm just on the computer, just looking at cryptocurrencies, and I just want to show you something so you can really understand what's going on. That's all I want to do. I'm not trying to get you into any program. I just want you to know what's going on in the cryptocurrency space right now. And I think it's really fun. I never had this much fun investing. It's so much fun. I know that you might like, I want to make profits, Silas. Well, we're making profits, but we're having fun as well. And I think that's important. But this is a website. It's called Bittrex. So guys, if you don't, before I talk about Bittrex, if you don't have, let me get off of here. If you don't have, hold on real quick. If you don't have any Bitcoin, I want you to click on the link below. It's called Coinbase.com, but it's my link. And whenever people get Bitcoin through your link, you can share people your link as well. Whenever somebody buys $100 of Bitcoin, both of you guys get $10 free. So I want to share you my link because I'm educating you on it. But it's called Coinbase, right? And on Coinbase, what Coinbase lets you do is it lets you actually buy Bitcoin and convert your regular dollars to Bitcoin. So hold on real quick. And this code changes all the time, so you can't get me. But guys, I want to show you Coinbase, okay? Here's where you can actually buy Bitcoin. I want you to register on Coinbase, and no, you do not have to buy a full Bitcoin to be investing in Bitcoin. You can buy Satoshis, okay? One full Bitcoin can be broken down into something called 100 million Satoshis. So guys, you see I've been using Bitcoin. Look at my transaction history, okay? It works. It's money. Remember, money is an idea, okay? It's a tool. You see it? I've been doing transactions. It works. You see it? It works, okay? It works, okay? Bitcoin works. It works, okay? So you can get Bitcoin from your Coinbase account right here. I want you to get on there, and all you got to do is to connect you can connect your debit card. It's the easiest way. You just connect your debit card. You click add new payment method, connect your debit card. They're going to ask you for some verification process, and then boom, you can buy you some Bitcoin. You can buy $5 worth of Bitcoin, $10, whatever amount you want, and you can begin to invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But let me show you something cool, okay? Bitcoin can be invested into any other cryptocurrency. So I was on the exchange. If you have Google Chrome, I'm not on Google Chrome, but if you have Google Chrome and you're a trader, you can connect your, it's a plugin on Google Chrome called Bittrex Enhance. You can add that, and you can add your trading view platform. It'll connect with your Bittrex account, and your graph will look a little different. I'm gonna show you. But let's just look at something. This is Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash. All right, you could come trade this. This is open 24/7, okay? 7 days a week. It's very volatile, the way the market moves. Right now, the cryptocurrency space is 10 times bigger than the stock market right now. And it's not that much people in it right now, but it's volatile. I mean, imagine when the mainstream actually come and you can actually begin to trade. The cool thing I like about this is, look, you can see everybody's transactions. You can see the buyers, you can see the sellers, you can see the price they're selling it at, you can see the price they're bidding it, you can see everything. It's so transparent. You can set your price, right? I have some in Bitcoin Cash, right? Some money, a few Satoshis in Bitcoin Cash or whatever. But look, you can you can do so much. You don't have to use this chart either. You can use tradingview.com. You can actually connect it to here. Your trading view can be on here. This is the chart they have. They have, if you're a trader, you can put your support and resistance lines, whatever you want to do. I really don't like using too many of them, lines and stuff and all that. Really, I've been learning how to trade on the way I do it. I see things a little different. And also when I'm trading, man, I ask God for wisdom as well before I trade. So I move a little different. But I want you to really check out what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. I'm not going to give you too much education, but I want to show you that. You can also use TradingView. So let's say we was trading Bitcoin Cash. If we wanted to, Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash, we could take our Bitcoin from Coinbase, send it to Bittrex. We can hold our Bitcoin on Bittrex. And now we can trade any cryptocurrency. We could trade Ripple. Like I got into Ripple when it was at 17 cents, right? And now it's at like 20 cents, but I'm just holding that. I don't have to send it back to get profit right now. I can invest and hold it for the long term if I want. But there's thousands of different cryptocurrencies. And this isn't the only exchange, but I really like this exchange. It's moving smooth for me and my team. I mean, there's so many different cryptocurrencies. But here's a nugget I want to give you that I learned. When you're trading cryptocurrencies, it's kind of like stocks and Forex combined. Because you can trade, just like I did. I bought and then I sold immediately, like a few hours later for profit. Or you can hold, just like I'm doing as well in another currency. In Ripple, I'm just holding it. So you can do both. And if you're holding it, I mean, you can just wait. I've seen some people who were holding a currency and it went down, right? They were in loss. But guess what? They didn't care because they believed in that project. Because there's companies behind most of these coins, all these coins. And then guess what? The price went up and then they took the profit. Right? It's a little different. You don't have to be a trader to do this. You can be an investor. You can pick out, I'm going to show you ICOs in a few minutes as well. But this is just one way you can trade coins that are already out in the market, okay? Okay, so here is something called coinmarketcap.com. I'm just giving you just a little bit. You can do your own research as well, but this is coinmarketcap.com. This shows you all the top cryptocurrencies that are already out. This is not including the ICOs that are out, okay? These are the ones that are actually out. You can trade Bitcoin into any of these currencies, and then you can convert your Bitcoin back into profit. So for example, my first trade ever, I traded Bitcoin into NEO, this right here. Okay, and you can click these and study them on your own. I traded into that and I made a 2% profit. But guess what? I didn't know cryptocurrency was so volatile. And when I took my profit, it shot up to 50%. So now what I do is, if I'm going to trade, I'm going to invest too. So I'm going to put some money in for investing and for trading if I believe in that project. That way I can just hold some and then I can take profit when I want to. Does that make sense? So guys, this is a lot more easier. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's a lot more easier than trading in other financial markets because you can actually see what's going on. It's more transparency. I can see what's going on. It's more predictable. I'm not trying to make it sound like it's easy, but it is easier. It's more predictable. and you have more confidence because you can actually study these coins. And if you believe in it, you invest. Now, yes, all investing is risk. Okay, invest with money you can afford to lose, of course. But I can tell you that I've seen some Forex traders come to the cryptocurrency space and say that this is a lot easier than doing Forex. Now, there's nothing wrong with Forex. Forex is great. It's $5.3 trillion a day industry. But the thing about Forex and stocks and futures and all these other institutions, they're all coming on the blockchain because there's an easier way for them to do business as well. So I want you to really look at all these different coins, look at what's going on. They have TradingView. You can go to tradingview.com and you can look at your own charts if you want to trade on your own. If you click on markets, you'll see cryptocurrencies have its own space. Okay? And you can click Bitcoin, whatever. Let's say you want to trade your Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies and double your Bitcoin on your own. Well, you can click there and you can see all the different ways that Bitcoin is being traded versus. It's even being traded in the Forex market as well. Bitcoin versus USD, right? Japanese yen. Or you can see it versus another cryptocurrency. All right, just like it shows right here in Bittrex. Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. These are different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin versus Monero, Ripple. Okay, you can trade it versus those and you can look at charts. For instance, this is a Bitcoin USD chart. I'm just giving you an example. If you look at Bitcoin since this came out, all right, to where it's at right now, it has been doing nothing but uptrending. It has been going up. Now, I'm going to show you something if you're not a trader. I'm just going to keep it really simple. You can draw these support and resistance lines, okay? And I like to draw my support and resistance lines with line graphs because I can actually see the points. So I'll put one right there. This is not the colors I usually use, but I'm just going to show you. I mean, I'll put one right here, okay, just to show you an example. And hold on real quick. Let me move this. Okay, so this is just, hold on real quick. This is just an example, okay? So this is Bitcoin. So overall, it's been going up. But remember, in all financial markets, the market goes up and down. Okay, this market is a little more volatile. It moves bigger. It moves in bigger ways, bigger chunks. So Bitcoin rose right here. You can see, then it came down, then it rose. Okay, this was at $5,000. I came in at Bitcoin when it was at 4,000 at a point, right? So it rose to 5,000. It hit a ceiling. You see this line? This is the ceiling. And then I want to draw one more line for you. I just want to show you something, okay? Let me just draw it right here. I just want to show you something, okay? It hit this ceiling, and then it bounced down. Now, when it bounced down right here, it went from 5,000 to 3,200. So guess what the rookie investor did? The rookie investor jumped out of the market. But guess what the professional investor and trader did? They bought the dip. They bought it right here. And guess what? When it shot up, they sold it or they're still in it. Or you know what, the investor that has the mindset like me, they just bought it and they're just holding. And they can sell whenever they want a portion. So they got a portion for trading and a portion for investing for the long term. So here's Bitcoin right now. You see this long point that is shot up. It has to come down some. Now, if it comes below this and breaks this support, now we can look at it and see if it's going to come down and start making a downtrend. But as of right now, this thing is on an uptrend. It's making new highs and new lows. It's making new higher highs and new higher lows. You can see this up, down, higher high, higher low, because this low is higher than this low. This high is higher than this high. And it's doing the same thing. Okay, it's doing the same thing. Now, right now, it's at a support. Yes, it dropped from $7,800, almost $8,000 to $5,000, but that doesn't mean that this thing is done going up. It doesn't mean that. Right now, I see it as a good time to actually buy. But if you don't want to buy it there, you can wait, see what this thing does. If it breaks through the support, or you can wait to see if it bounces up on the support, and you can buy it somewhere right here if it goes up. And just you can buy and sell anytime you want. Or if you're an investor, this is the time to add more to your portfolio if you're investing in Bitcoin. But as I showed you as well, you can invest, you can trade your Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies and add more Satoshis into them. Guys, I just wanted to show you this. This is a real powerful way for you to actually invest, okay? This is something powerful. Let me turn the music off. It's playing. Yeah, let me see. But the music is playing. I don't want that playing. But this is where you can actually invest on your own. You can trade on your own. But let me show you what else I do. Okay, we use TradingView. I'm about to exit out of TradingView. Okay, I'm about to exit out of CoinMarketCap. This is where you look at all the cryptocurrencies that have been out. I'm going to exit. Okay, I'm going to keep Bittrex up. But let me show you something. Okay, they have something called ICOs. This is one of the ICOs websites I like to use, and you can do this as well. You can go to coinschedule.com and study new cryptocurrencies that are about to come out before they come out, and you can invest before they launch. Imagine being able to invest in Apple before it actually launched. Guys, I invested in one before, and it was 1 cent per token, had about 5,000 tokens. So if that token, if that cryptocurrency goes to $1, that's $5,000 profit. It went to 39 cents a couple of days ago. That was a $2,000 profit. I'm just holding it. All right, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that, but I'm just saying anybody can do this. This is on your own. This isn't being involved in USI Tech with me and doubling your Bitcoin. That is important too. That's a great concept, but this is just on your own term. You can be trading daily with your profits. You know, just focus on getting 1% profit a day. The whole goal is not to get a large amount, but to accumulate more. The whole goal is to grow, to progress. That's it. Don't compare your account to anybody else's. Focus on your goal. Make it 1% a day of whatever you put in. So if you put $100 into your trading account to trade on your own with Bittrex, from Coinbase to Bittrex, okay, 1% a day is $1 in profit. Just do that. You're learning. You're new. Focus on that. And then go and increase to $2, whatever you want. But here are the ICOs. You can trade these ICOs and invest when you want. Here's an ICO right here. It's called B2BX. This thing is getting the Forex market, the stock market. It's getting all of the institutional traders to come on the blockchain. And here's what I'll do is I'll study it on the ICO because it hasn't launched yet. I'll open it up on the website and I can contribute. I can invest in this ICO if I want to before it actually launches in 3 days. So this is the first official provider of cryptocurrency liquidity. Okay, we provide cryptocurrency liquidity for brokers, stock exchanges, hedge funds. I told you guys, Forex, all of the financial markets are coming on the blockchain. And this is one of the ICOs that are doing it. You can invest in this, right? And if this ICO, which is it is going to go up, they raised $7 million already. When it goes up, you will make profit because you're one of the first investors. Okay, so that you can study that ICO. You can study who the owner is, who the founder is. They got videos on it. But here are different ICOs that you can invest in before they actually launch. Do you see what's going on the blockchain now? They have gaming, VR, virtual reality, mining, trading and investing, communication companies, infrastructures, commerce companies, payment providers, all data storage. You can actually click on these companies and study them. Commerce and advertising, right? You can just study these companies and invest in them if you believe in them and what they're doing, right? They got gambling, different things like that. I'm just trying to give you a picture. They have healthcare on the blockchain, social networks, and they all have their own cryptocurrency that you can actually trade. Data analysis, so many more things are coming. These are up and coming cryptocurrencies that are coming to the blockchain that you have access to trade when they launch on this exchange or on other exchanges, and you can make profit. I hope this is helping you a little bit. I'm not giving you everything, but I just want to show you some things that will educate you because I think this is important. All right, so let's study an ICO right now. Let's just go look at something. Let's look at UTrust. UTrust is a payments provider ICO. So here's what I'll do. I'll click open it. I'll open it to see what it's about. The name of the company is called You Trust. Here's Warren Buffett. He said, he said, never trade something or get involved in something for 10 minutes. Warren Buffett said, never get involved with something for 10 minutes. So don't ever invest or trade something for 10 minutes if you wouldn't invest or trade it for 10 years. So that's the concept I go by when I'm studying these ICOs, these initial coin offerings before they launch. It's just like an IPO in stocks, initial public offering before they launch. They have investors that can invest in them. Guys, the stock market, Forex, hedge funds, listen to me. I just showed you the company that is putting all these institutional traders on the blockchain. It's for a reason. Don't ignore this if you're a Forex trader. Don't ignore this if you're a stock investor, if you're a hedge funds, equities, whatever commodity, whatever you're doing, don't ignore this. They're all on the block. They're on the block already. And more are coming. This is a better way. Pay attention. So UTrust is a revolutionary, this is how I study it, a revolutionary payment platform that enables buyers to use their favorite cryptocurrency in order to pay sellers, private or merchants. We provide sellers with the safety and convenience of receiving funds in fiat currency and offer the best consumer protection to buyers by acting as trusted mediators. So this is how I would study a company. I would go to their website. You see, this company was created on the Ethereum platform. That's the #2 cryptocurrency. Ethereum lets companies, me and you, the average person, build their own cryptocurrency and build their own business on the blockchain. So that's a clue. You will see Ethereum a lot because a lot of these companies come through the Ethereum platform. That's a clue that Ethereum is going to be around for a long time as well. You can see the total supply of UTrust coins. They have 500 million. They're in Switzerland. Then I'll go to their website and I'll study it. Who are they? What's their team? All right, I'll read the details right here. We believe that digital tokens are more than an asset for financial speculation. All right, I'll read all this. I'll read this. I'll read their white paper, right, to see if I want to invest my money in this. And if I invest, if I believe that I should invest, whether I make money or not, I don't care. Did I make the decision that I believe? That's what I care about. Now, if I made a good decision, I'm happy with that decision, whether I make money or not. And here's what I do. Whenever I invest, I trade as well. So I will put money in there to invest and money to trade. What do you mean by that, Silas? Let's say, for instance, I got an ICO and it was 1 cent for each token. Okay, so let's say I invested $100. Well, I would get 10,000 tokens. So let's say I use $50 for investing, those 5,000 tokens I don't touch for 2 years or more. And then the other 5,000 I can touch anytime and receive profits. That's just an example. A way you can trade and invest at the same time in any and every ICO. So if that token went to $1, that'll be $5,000 profit plus 5,000, that'll be $10,000 profit, because 10,000 tokens times $1 is $10,000. I'm just giving you an example. Right? You don't have to invest in UTrust. I'm just giving you an example. You will come here, study it, come on their page, go on YouTube, find out information about it. It's just like studying a network marketing company or a business opportunity. What do? You look at the ownership, right? See what they're talking about. You see they putting this up? Now I know their character. I know these guys, they like to talk any kind of way, right? I'm getting to see who they are. I'm getting to see who these people are. You can study the companies before you invest. See who they are. Who is this? Who is the owner? Who is the CEO? Who is Nuno? See, read who he's about, right? So you come on the blockchain, you come on the ICO websites, and you study these different ICOs to see, where do you want to invest? Where do you want to put your hard-working money into? I don't have to invest in UTrust. That's just a company on the block. Or I can make profit, because what the world does, you make your business. Do you agree the world is going to use money? Yes, everybody. Do you agree that they're going to use cryptocurrencies? I do. And here's an example right here. Look at all these companies. Guys, there's over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies and growing. They all do different things. Let me show you a cryptocurrency I invested in. It's called Car Taxi. Okay? It's called Car Taxi. It's already launched. All right? I believe it was overlooked. Okay, it's called Car Taxi. Let me see if my Wi-Fi will pull it up. right now. But it's called car taxi, and basically they're making an Uber for taxi drivers. They made an Uber for taxi drivers, not for taxi drivers, but for tow truck drivers. That's what I meant to say. That will act as taxis to help people that are stranded on the road, and people can contact them instantly. They even have an app where people can contact them if their car gets stopped on the road, and whoever is closest to them can come pick up their car and help them. I think it's going to be revolutionary. I'm going to hold it for years. I'm not worried about trading it. This is an investment. It's the world's first operating car towing platform on the blockchain. All right, do you kind of get what's going on here now a little bit better? And then you can watch their video. All right, you can see who their team is. All right, I did all this research before I studied. I like the CEO, Terrace. I like him. I like this guy. I watched this. I checked out who they were. I saw these Nigerian guys. I saw the team. I like this project. So guess what I did? I didn't ask you, should I invest? I invested because I like the project. I like what they're doing. I'm happy with my decision. Right? That's just one of the tokens, one of the cryptocurrencies I invested in. Right? Out of the many, we're investing in many because we see other opportunities. Now, some are not going to be good. You're gonna know to not invest in it from your own research. But guys, here's a website you can use called Coin Schedule. It shows you the new coins that are coming out and before they're actually launched. Let's do another study. Let's look at a random company. Here's a company called Moose Coin. Okay, they're working with art and music. I don't know what they're doing. Let's just click it and learn. If I like it, I'll invest after studying. If I don't, I'm gonna leave. Okay, they're doing music and art. They have 1.5 billion coins. We are creating a decentralized organization for musicians to cover for every aspect of a musician's career from start to finish. That's powerful. That's unique. I haven't seen that before. Have you seen this before? I haven't. We would like to be the most used blockchain platform facilitating new musicians and all ecosystem partners around them. Okay, cool. Let me click on their website. Let me see what they're doing. Let me see if I like this company, if I want to invest. It's easy to invest. All I got to do is have money, and I put it in, and I hold it. Or I could trade it, or I could do both at the same time. I can make profits. Profits are better than wages. Okay, it's called Moose Coin. It's doing something with music. I'll click and download their white paper. How can I invest? They accept Bitcoin. They accept Ethereum. They accept Liz. So if I have one Bitcoin, I can get 120,000 Moose. Right? That's the name of their cryptocurrency. I can invest these different ways. But I'm talking about investing with Bitcoin. So you would buy your Bitcoin from Coinbase, like I showed you, and then send it here to invest if you wanted to. Easy as sending an email to invest. Okay, you'll come check them out. See what they're doing. They already sold this amount of their coins. All right? You just come study. What are they doing? This company says, we register your music, manage and pay out royalties, executive crowdfund actions. That's different. That's powerful. I'm a musician. I love music if you didn't know that. So that caught my attention. Now let me read more. Music lovers, listen to music legally, donate or invest in musicians and their songs. I have music. Okay, why not? Let me keep reading. Let me see what they're doing. And share in the profits of your favorite musician. Cool. Streaming service. Create or connect a streaming service on the Musti blockchain and profit from existing contracts and payment service. That's what they're doing. Record labels. Move your artists on the Musti blockchain to automate processes and agreements between the label and artist. Okay, so they have a few cryptocurrency that are doing music on the blockchain. I know one that I get paid from when people listen to my music. The last payment, somebody sent me 100 of their tokens. It's called Music Coin. I like them. What makes this different from Music Coin? That's something I would do while I'm studying this for myself. And they show us their vision. Okay, an artist-centric model on the blockchain. This is their vision for being on the blockchain and having their own cryptocurrency that people can invest in and trade. Do you guys see how powerful this is? This is beyond your imagination. You don't understand what's going on. There's so much going on, so much opportunity. It's your time to prosper. Get on the block. Study. I'm showing you a way to trade and invest on your own without being involved in my program with USI Tech. I'm not even trying to get you involved right now. I'm just showing you something that you can do on your own. And let's see, read there, envision. We envision an easy registration of ownership rights for every musician. Guys, do you know it's difficult for a musician to register their music right now? This is making it easier. You know it's hard for them to receive the full payments for their royalties? This is making it to where people have to buy their music to listen to it. In order for them to listen to it, it's giving respect back to the artists. Just like Bitcoin is giving respect back to the community, back to the people that have money. Now you have ownership. With Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, a bank cannot freeze your money because you own it now. You have ownership. Do you see the difference? It's way different, guys. But this is an ICO. I would come and study this. Look, they're giving you, they're helping with your ownership rights, physical and digital distribution. You know, I'll read more on this. That's pretty cool. Whatever they're talking about, I'll read all this. Their mission. See, they got all this in place. I'll come read that. I'll come see where they're located. I'll also join their Slack group. Slack is a community group. And also, I'll study who the CEOs are. I never invest in anything if I don't know who the CEOs are. If they don't show me the CEO, if I can't find who the founders are, the staff is, I'm not investing in it at all. I want to know their track record. I don't care how good the product look. I want to know who's behind it, who's supporting it, everything. All right, so that's another ICO, okay? So that's how you'll study. You'll come here. This is one of the websites you can use, CoinSchedule. I'll give you some other websites you can use as well. I'm just giving you free information because I love you. I want you to be an investor. It's easy. It's easier. I'm making profits. I'm making profits. You can do it. Okay, this is another website, ICO Alert. Here's another website you can, I clicked on this one already. Oh, no, I didn't click on this. So you can use ICOalert.com. You can see the active ICOs you can invest in before they launch to the public. You can be an investor. Imagine, like I said, investing in Apple or Starbucks before they actually launch to the public. That's what these ICOs are. They're initial coin offerings. You know, they even have a new investment banking for cryptocurrencies on the blockchain that's helping fund these ICOs. And that's something I'm interested in as well. That's cool, right? Investing is supposed to be fun. Do you see Warren Buffett? Does he look stressed out? Does he look stressed out when he invests? He's happy. He is so happy. Investing should be fun. You should be making money and having fun. This is the way to go. Okay, these are upcoming ICOs. I mean, you can read them before they actually launch and see. You can set money aside, say, okay, I'm going to invest in this. You can put whatever amount of money you want, depending on the ICO's price for each token. All right, so that's one. Another website is tokenmarket.com. .net, tokenmarket.net. It'll show you upcoming ICOs. It'll show you the past ones. You can click on them and study them. See, this says discover the truth in fake news. That's what they're doing. Public chain and decentralized storage network for blockchain applications. Okay, it's so much to study. You didn't know this was happening until I just showed you. You had no clue. You had no clue. The people in hospitals are creating their own blockchain. You had no clue. Real estate companies are creating their own rental auction platforms. You didn't have no clue that you can make your own cryptocurrency until I just told you just now. You can actually, they have a platform called Waves. That's one of them. They have other ones, Ethereum. You can create your own cryptocurrency. You can have your own token and create your own business. And if people believe in your business, the increase of that token price will increase and you can have it tradable. People can trade your cryptocurrency. I'm talking to you. You could have your own cryptocurrency. Include it with your business, with your coffee shop, with your ice cream truck if you want it. You laughing, but it's not a joke. It's literally going down right now on the blockchain. And you blocking your blessings. because you don't understand. You see Bitcoin and you don't understand what's going on behind it. All these companies are coming on the block. All these CEOs. You see this? You see this list? You see this list? It goes on and on. Let me go to cryptocurrency. Let me go to coinmarketcap.com. You see this list? Do you see this list? It's over 1,000 companies on the blockchain. You think they going somewhere? No, a revolution is happening right now. And you sleep, but I'm waking you up. You see this list? You see this? Now, yes, just like even in the real world, there's going to be bad companies, but there's also going to be good companies. Just because there's bad companies, don't shut the good companies up. Don't block and ignore the good companies. Just like in the real world, there's companies that foreclose. There's going to be cryptocurrency companies and concepts that don't make it. But that don't mean you block the whole block. No, you search. God says, seek and you shall find. Seek for that opportunity. There's opportunities for you to invest. Thousands. And they're coming in herds. They're coming in thousands, in groups. Successful people. IBM is on the blockchain. Who else is on the blockchain? No, not FedEx. UPS, the truck delivery, driving company is coming on the blockchain. All these people coming on the block. Bill Gates, right? Ripple. I invested in Ripple at 17 cents. I'm just holding it. They saying it's going to go to $1 to $2 next year. I don't care. I'm just stacking up on them. It's at 20 cents right now. I'm in profit. I'm just holding it. I'm just holding my Ripple. I'm going to get some more. We're just going to invest and hold it. Because right now we're at the beginning still, because there's only 0.05% of the world population involved in the cryptocurrency space right now. Imagine once the mainstream come. You see the Forex market is 5.3 trillion a day. Cryptocurrency is larger than the stock market right now. Guys, the Forex market is coming to the cryptocurrency space. If you're a Forex trader, you see on your broker, you see them adding Ripple, you see them adding Ethereum. That's proof. I just showed you earlier, stock brokers, Forex brokers, they're all on the blockchain to help them lessen their fees. That's why they're on there. That's not a coincidence that you see Bitcoin on your broker account. They trying to let you know what's coming next. They know. But will you wake up? So guys, that's all I want to give to you tonight. I'm going to do some more of these educations. I just wanted to come on and be myself. Can I be myself? Can I just educate you? Can I have fun? Can we make profit and have fun and just be ourselves? Does everything have to be a competition? Can we come together and create and make an impact? Can we change lives? Does everything have to be a war? It is time for you to get educated, guys. I put a link. I made a Bitcoin school. It's just an education. It takes you probably about an hour to go through all the information. It's for free. You can click it. It's on my website. Goes over everything in Bitcoin. Goes over ICO, the basics, the fundamentals, the ins and outs. They have a documentary called Banking on Bitcoin on there. It was at one point one of the #1 movies on Bitcoin or something on Netflix. But it's a good documentary that teaches you how it started and everything, and how secure it is. Everything, and how it's open, like how it's on the ledger, and all these different type of things. You don't have to know everything to make profits, guys. You don't have to know everything about a car to drive it. You don't have to know everything about a computer. I don't know how this phone is made I'm using, but I'm using it. You don't have to know everything. You just need to know, can this thing work? And I'm here to tell you that it works. That's it. It works. And for the people that say, is this real money? Well, is the money in your hand real money? Answer that. And who said so? Money is an idea. We give the value to it. That's why people are giving value to the cryptocurrency space. Digital money. Just like when the internet first came out, everybody was like, what is the internet? What is email? What is the internet? How do we use the internet? Everybody's using it now. Don't be left out. Study. You don't have to buy a full Bitcoin, any of these coins full. You can buy parts of them. You can buy $5 worth, $10 worth to see that it works. Do your first transaction. Buy $5 worth of Bitcoin to see that it works. Send it to another person. Buy something with it. They have debit cards too that you can use. I have a debit card, BitPay debit card I use for my transactions. I do this to mess with people. I go to the store and I say, hey, do y'all accept Bitcoin? And they be like, well, I don't know if we accept Bitcoin. I said, and then I just swipe my card. I say, y'all do. Y'all do. Y'all do. It's just fun to educate people. Okay, this isn't a competition. We want people to succeed together. We all in this together. So guys, I love you. I'm about to get off here, but one more thing is this. The difference between digital money, Bitcoin, computer, internet money, and fiat money is this. In fiat money and in the fiat markets and Forex, stocks, all that stuff, there's a lot of manipulation going on. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm happy for everybody that's profiting. I'm happy. But there's a lot of manipulation, and they will agree with me that's true. Because it's not Forex, it's not stocks, it's not that. It's the system that it was created on, the regular fiat currencies. The bank is in control of that. The bank can control your account. The government is in control of that. They can print money anytime. People are making money off of debt. They got debt bubbles. Interest is the biggest lie ever. Somebody borrows money from the bank, right? And then when they pay back, guess who they're paying back? They're paying back two people, the bank and the people who had money in the bank. You didn't know that, huh? That's two hands in pocket. You'll catch that later. They're robbing the poor. God don't like that. Freedom. You should be able to do what you want with your money when you want to. I have friends in Trinidad, in different countries, in Peru, in Italy, different places. Why can't they send me money when they want to, or me when I want to, without them having to pay all these fees? With Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they even have some cryptocurrencies that have no fee. You can send it instantly. And guess what? That'll be cool. You can send those currencies instantly for free. Then you can convert it to Bitcoin if you want, or to any other cryptocurrency. They all can be exchanged for one another. This is powerful. Study what I just showed you. Watch this again. Write down every website I gave you because I paid to get this information from successful people. I'm not giving you, I'm giving you information for free that is so worth millions of dollars. Because I learned about Bitcoin last year. It took me a whole year and some months to actually learn this thing. It took me a whole year. I gave up. I was like, I don't know what this is. I don't even know how to invest in this. But in 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, God gave me a mentor that helped me learn this thing quicker. Just like that, you can learn something. I just taught you something that expanded your mind in one day. I gave you information that took me a year to learn. Weeks. You can now go invest when you want to without any company if you want to. Do you know what I just showed you? I love you guys. Share this video. Somebody needs to see it. Click on the link below. You can buy some Bitcoin with Coinbase. All right, through my link. I helped you, so why don't you want to help me? When you buy up to $100 of Bitcoin, whenever that happens, we both get $10 free Bitcoin through Coinbase. Bless me, I'm blessing you, right? Why not? That's the link I'm sharing. You can learn more about Bitcoin. I got a Bitcoin school on my website, SilasKINGDOM4.com. And if you want to learn how to earn Bitcoin daily, because you can do it when you start earning that Bitcoin, you can start investing in all these different companies if you want. Spreading your nest, spreading your investment in different places, having multiple streams. Guys, we're going to have thousands of investments. Thousands. I didn't say hundreds, I said thousands. It's time to prosper, guys. So if you need anything, contact me. You need information, you need help, contact me. I'll help you. Guys, we have a group called Kingdom Keys Investors. We do everything for the Lord Jesus Christ. We put him first. He's helping us. He's giving us an Issachar anointing to know when to invest and what to invest in. We're profiting. He's great. If you want to earn Bitcoin, click that other link that says silaskingdom4.com/Bitcoin. If you want to just learn right now, just using my website for free, you can learn and then you can earn too on autopilot. But one thing I don't want you to do is I don't want you to miss out on this. And I don't want you to not educate yourself. I want you to educate yourself because our people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. So guys, I love you. Man, it's a list of different ICOs you can invest in. You can come on here. This is my favorite site so far. Coin schedule. It gives me really details. You see, I can see this, what this category is. Commodities. This is a commodity company. This is events. They got tickets, selling tickets on the blockchain, social networks, energy and utilities, real estate. So many different companies coming out, guys. And you think this is going away. Nope. You see why I'm laughing at people that say this is going away? They got travel companies coming out on the block. You see all these companies coming out? Look, this is set to come out November 19th. It's just companies coming out. Companies already out. You could trade all of these companies, make profit instantly. I traded Bitcoin Cash earlier, made some profit. It's down right now. I could trade it again if I want. Right? I could come in and trade it if I want. I could look at the chart if I like it. Right? I could just come on here. Oops. I come on here and trade if I want. Right? I have some in there, a few Satoshis, but I mean, you could do what you want on here. You could trade when you want, whatever you want to do. Guys, this is open 24/7. You know why I'm so excited? Because I came from trading Forex and looking at the stock markets and all that. And it's like there's no limits over here on this. And plus, you could trade Forex through cryptocurrencies. They even have a way for you to trade with the US dollar. It's called USD Tether. You could trade with the US dollar. It's called USD Tether. They have the Euro Tether. And it's the same. So let me tell you the difference. I'm about to get off of here. When you trade with the USD Tether versus trading in Bitcoin, so let's say you wanted that real money feel. So if I traded with the USD Tether and I made $10, well, guess what? If in 10 days, it'll still be $10. But if I traded in Bitcoin and traded with $10, I mean, I made $10 profit and I got it back in Bitcoin. Well, if Bitcoin went down, that $10 wouldn't be $10 no more. But if it went up, it'll increase. So it's more flex with Bitcoin. The price can go up and down, right? So you have the potential to make more. But if you trade in USD Tether, if you're in the US, it'll just stay fixed. It'll be a fixed price. But I like trading in Bitcoin. I like counting the Satoshis. Satoshi. Guys, y'all probably laughing at me, man. I'm talking about I'm counting Satoshis, right? Who knew we'd be counting Satoshis, right? It's mind-boggling. Well, guys, I love you. I'm about to get off of here. Share this video. Somebody needed this. Later. Let's go. Glory to God. Woo!